In today's modern world, where much of our personal and professional lives are conducted online, the importance of IT security cannot be overstated. IT security refers to the measures taken to protect computer systems, networks, and data from unauthorized access, theft, and damage. Let's explore why IT security is so vital, both at home and in the workplace. Reason number 1: protection against cyberattacks. With the alarming rise in cyberattacks on individuals and businesses, having robust IT security is crucial. Cybercriminals can exploit vulnerabilities to steal personal and financial information, install malicious software, and even take control of entire networks. Strong IT security measures such as firewalls, antivirus software, and regular software updates can help defend against these threats. Reason number 2: compliance with regulations. Many industries have regulations in place to protect sensitive data, such as healthcare and finance. Failing to comply with these regulations can result in legal and financial consequences. IT security measures, including data encryption and access controls, can ensure compliance and safeguard sensitive information. Reason number 3: protection of intellectual property. Businesses often possess valuable intellectual property, such as trade secrets and proprietary information. IT security measures like data encryption and access controls play a vital role in protecting this information from theft or unauthorized access. Reason number 4: prevention of data loss. IT security measures help prevent data loss caused by hardware failures, human errors, or cyberattacks. Regular backups of important data ensure that information is not lost in the event of a failure, while disaster recovery plans enable businesses to swiftly resume operations in the face of a major incident. And finally, reason number 5: peace of mind. Strong IT security measures provide peace of mind for both individuals and businesses. Knowing that sensitive information and data are protected alleviates stress and allows individuals and businesses to focus on their core tasks. In conclusion, IT security is an imperative consideration at home and in the workplace. Strong IT security measures protect against cyberattacks, ensure compliance with regulations, safeguard intellectual property, prevent data loss, and provide peace of mind. By implementing these measures, individuals and businesses can better protect themselves and their sensitive information from potential threats. Contact us today to learn more about how we can help secure your computers and servers at bestatx@proton.me. Don't compromise on IT security. Safeguard your digital world.